Hi guys, I'm gonna buy from um Anaya's squishy shop. I'm gonna see if it's worth it. In my other video I made, it wasn't worth shopping for slime. So yeah, here's my dad's tablet again. He said I can use it whenever I want now. So yeah, we're just gonna text her. She posted this like 1 day ago or like 16 hours ago. So we're gonna say, "Hi, is your squishy shop still available?" And see if she texts us back. Hi guys, she texted back. She said, "Yes. Which kind of squishies would you like?" Ow! Okay. Okay. Delicious text. Okay. So she likes. I want the. Let me see. There's lots to choose from. Hey guys, so I have my list. So what I want is a jumbo mermaid, a banana, or mermaid pusheen, and a kitty cat, and a Hello Kitty pancake. So yeah, and yeah. So it's gonna come tomorrow or later today. So we'll see you when it comes. Oh wait, I need to text her. I forgot. So we're gonna actually say, I want the mermaid. I want the jumbo mermaid, banana, mermaid pusheen, and kitty cat, and a Hello Kitty pancake. So how much would that be in all? She said that'll be $100,000 in total. Okay. I guess I have the money because I do work. Because it's like 4 years later. No, just kidding. But I'm 16 now. And yeah, she said it's gonna come later today. Yes! I was taking a nap and then I'm ready to do a video with you guys. So yeah, see you when it comes. Hi guys, it's Brittany, and just saying, this girl wanted like a lot of squishies, and those are my precious squishies. And yeah, my sister Elizabeth gave somebody like a bad slime, so I got a squishy shop, and yeah, I'm gonna give her bad squishies because those are my squishies. So she asked for a jumbo mermaid, but I'm giving her this panda because why not? It's not even a squishy, like it's like part of a bath. It's like a bathtub plug, so you can take bubble baths. Yeah, not even slow rising. And a taco. It's very little, and this is gonna be her banana. Cause why not? And it's a little dense. And a sock. A sock is a squishy. Because if you put two socks, not even slow rising. I don't care. A stuffy. Not even my favorite. Another duplicate. Chapstick or not. Another chapstick. This Hatchimal. It's a squishy too. See? I don't know what that is. Just give it to her. Just this stuff. This, I don't know what that is. And a battery. It's a hand sanitizer that's already used. And yeah, put it in this bag. We have more stuff. So we're just gonna get like a few more stuff down here. I guess. Should I give her this microphone? Hello? How do I turn this off? I don't know. Okay, whatever.